Hello, I'm in a 2012 Nissan Altima. Today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and you should see a lever like this that you'll pull. You can see the symbol here. That pop was the safety releasing. There should be a little tension on this. You can check behind there, make sure that cable is fully attached and tightened. Let's go up to the front now. I should feel that the hood's a little loose. Most vehicles, there's a lever somewhere right in the middle. This one, it does have one right here. So we're kind of pushing this way and lifting. So push and lift. And that's it. This is the part it was hooked onto here. And then this is the mechanism that released it. And then check for any possible debris, something like that. Maybe need a WD-40 to loosen this up. And then same if your hood's out of alignment or some part's bent a little bit, that could cause issues too. And then, yeah, worst case scenario, maybe one of those cables you can see running there needs replaced or repaired. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.